In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Wrike. If you've ever made a change in Wrike and immediately thought, wait, that's not what I meant to do, knowing how to quickly undo can save you time and stress. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how the undo option works, where to find it, and how to use it confidently while you're managing your work. When you're working in Wrike, whether you're editing a task, updating a description, changing a date, or moving something on a board, the platform usually gives you a small window of time to revert that action. The simplest and most direct way to do this is by using the undo arrow. After you make a change, look toward the top area of the Wrike interface. You'll often see a small arrow icon that represents undo. It typically appears right after you complete an action, like editing text or adjusting a field. To reverse what you just did, simply move your mouse to that undo arrow and click on it. As soon as you click, Wrike will roll back your most recent change, restoring things to how they were before you made that adjustment. For example, imagine you've just updated the title of a task and then realize you've changed the wrong one. Instead of trying to remember the exact wording or manually fixing it, go straight to the undo arrow and click it. The previous title will return instantly, saving you a lot of hassle. The same idea applies if you accidentally remove some text from a task description or change a custom field value without meaning to. It's important to remember that the undo arrow is usually tied to your most recent action, so it works best when you use it right away, as soon as you notice the mistake. If you keep making more changes, it may not always be possible to go back far enough using the simple undo option you see on the screen. Also, keep an eye out for any short notification or banner that appears after you make changes, because Wrike may show an undo link or icon right in that message. Clicking it has the same effect. It will revert the last action you took. So whenever you realize you've done something by accident in Wrike, don't panic. Just locate the undo arrow, click it, and your last change will be reversed. With this simple habit, you'll feel much more confident experimenting and editing, knowing you can easily step back if something doesn't go as planned.